Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a poem on Father's Day. The name of the poem is I Love You Dad. Your arms are my shelter, assuring me that it will be better. Your hand is my comfort, lifting me up when I fall short. Your voice makes me strong, teaching me what's right and wrong. Your smile says it all, Father. I love you more than all. If you want the PDF of this poem, then that you will get it from my Facebook page. This is my Facebook page ID and the link to my Facebook page is given in the description box. If you want, you can follow me on Facebook also to don't miss any updates of the PDFs which I upload. If this video was helpful for you, then please like and share my video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell so you would not miss the updates of any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care, and now I will meet you in my next video.